All right, so I'm gonna open the box now, the Maono A04 Gen 2. Let's see what we got. I'm terrible at opening boxes, by the way. I usually end up ripping them. Okay, so here's what we got. Some directions, manuals, etc. Ooh, comes with a pop filter. That's cool. I haven't used a pop filter in a long time. Typically you clip it on to like a mic stand. With this, you tighten it up. Good branding on that. I like that. Okay. Shock mount. Always important to have a shock mount. So when the table gets bumped or the mic kind of gets bumped, this helps it from like moving around and making a thump sound. Okay, we've got the grill cover here. That also helps with some plosives and popped P's and B's and T's and all that good jazz. Okay, so we open it up here. Let's take out the mic first. So, dude, I like this. This reminds me of the Neumann TLM 103. Which is a super expensive condenser mic, but this is cool. The design of it, love that. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. Let's hold it in my hand here. I'm 5'11". I like to say I'm 6 feet, but it's about that big. Good, not heavy, not light. It's kind of like right in that perfect range. Comes with a USB cable. Have a lot of these. They send these cool ones. So it's USB-C and A, which I like these little attachments. It helps. Hopefully we're going to a world where everything is USB-C soon. Got the desk clamp for the boom arm here. This is the, oh, and some cable ties right here. All right, this is the boom arm. You connect it with this, and then you clamp it onto the desk. Here is the polarity pattern. So you could see it's got, I mean, all microphones have a little bit different in the, what, like 2 to 5K, a little bit of boost. The vocals kind of get a little more presence in that area, and it even kind of stays up high all the way through 10K. It is a cardioid pattern, so it's gonna pick up sound directly coming in front of it and a little bit on the sides. It's important to know when you're using a mic what the polar pattern is. All right, so I screwed this in. This just clamps to the desk, and then this drops in. Typically, these arms, I've used a bunch of different ones. Oh, gotta loosen this. More. It should just drop in. There we go. I like how you can tighten it really tight, and then boom, these are typically weighted, and so, yeah, that's what it looks like. My desk is a mess, apologize. Gonna set the mic on it now and give it a go. Okay, got the mic on it now. You can see it's weighted, and what I mean by that is when you move it into place, like whatever position is right for you, it'll stay. So let's try it now. This is what the microphone sounds like. Hey. So when you do connect the microphone via USB, you get the benefit of using Maono Link, which is like an application where you can change the EQ, you can adjust like the noise level, there's noise reduction, there's all kinds of little tools that you can use to dial in the sound of your mic. But there's a problem because my software on my Mac is not compatible, and I'm not going to update my software right now for this video, my Mac OS. I don't have a new enough version, and as you can see here on the screen, I can't install it. And I then read about like the different models or the different like software versions of Maono Link. And it would be this one, because this mic you could see here is the A04 Gen 2. But I don't have what's required. So you could see here, Mac OS 13.5 or later, I'm in the 12 still. In any case, this is how the microphone sounds via USB. Test 2, 3. Hey, I'm gonna back up. This is a condenser mic, so it's gonna pick up more room tone, so keep that in mind. Gamers, streamers, content creators, you need to be aware of that. I do have some sound panels, But this is how it sounds in my studio. Check, 2, 3, hey, hey. They recommend, and I would recommend too, about 4 to 6 inches away. 4 might be kind of close. You can adjust the gain in your system preferences. So this is how the mic sounds plugged in via XLR. In theory, you're going to get better sound connecting it via XLR, but that does depend on your audio interface and the room you're in. You might not be able to tell the difference if you're not super experienced in this, but all in all, a pretty clean sounding mic. And get a little closer here, and I think that's still good. It doesn't sound blown out. And the reason I have the mic at an angle is because it helps with sounds. So if you're talking right into it, you're going to get more of that. The pop filter does help. I don't have the pop filter connected. I'm not a huge fan of pop filters. If you have good mic technique, you kind of don't need one, but it is something to be aware of. That will help with, the sounds as you speak. But that's it. The Maono A04 Gen 2 microphone connected via USB. This arm, I will say, is a little not super sturdy. And again, this product is a great entry level product. You're going to get good sound, not like amazing sound, but good sound, especially for the price point. They've got a ton of great stuff at the price points that they're at. So, if you're just getting started, this is a great mic for that. In my opinion, they did send me this. I'm not getting paid, but they did send me this mic for free and asked for a review. And this is my honest review. I think it sounds better than I thought it would sound. I will say that. And yeah, easy to set up. It does come with this arm. You want to be hands-free. Is it the greatest arm? No. Is it a good arm? Yeah, it's good enough. I'll say that, especially if you're streaming, gaming, you want to be able to type, or let's say you've got your controller down here, whatever game you play, or if you're on a live stream, you could be talking. You want to be hands-free. So it is rad that they send this arm included, because if you have to buy an arm separately, it can get more expensive. Obviously, you got to pay for more stuff. So the Maono A04 Gen 2, this is my review. Check the mic out. I'll put a link below. Shout out to them for sending it, and shout out to you for watching this. If you want more microphone reviews, please subscribe to the channel. Got mic reviews, headphone reviews, all kinds of reviews, plus additional tips to help you create better content. I talk about workflows. I talk about apps that you can use to record and edit. I talk about ways to grow your content, whether it's a podcast or a YouTube channel. In addition, I have my own podcast, and if you subscribe, you're going to get those videos where I bring on expert content creators and they talk about their journey, as well as tips and advice to give you so that you can continue to grow on your content creation journey. Thank you for listening, guys. Keep listening, keep creating, and I'm out.